Hi guys, how are you doing today? And it's 8 a.m. and it's raining so hard. So I am currently in Slovenia in Domžale. As you can see right now, it's hailstorm on my windshield. It's going to last only 5 or 10 minutes to pass us. And as you can see, there's like hailstorm right now. Oh, is it me? Something happening. Something happening. Because this song can help me. Look at this. How many rain? You know what's gonna happen right now because look at this. I can hear something painting on my window. And it's still happening. Oh my god. Just look at this. How many rain over there? How many splashes? Oh my god. And the storm's gonna make it worse. You see the rain? There's like no more electricity on my home. I should now turn off the electricity because there's some if it storms right now. There you go. And it's gonna watch and go to watch. As you can see, there's some storm, and you can see the traffic level there is shaking it. It's shaking it. I guess for about the quality, but look at this! How bad it is! But it's currently now 7:38 a.m. in the morning. I just wake up at 7:30 looking at the storm, or a little bit later at 7 a.m. But look at this, how just this rain goes. Seriously, my dad just packed the car inside because the storm. Oh my god, what was that? Is that iron? Oh, it's getting worse. Here it comes. The landing of death. Just look at this, how many storm. Look at this. Guys, the rain over here. Yes it is. Yes it is. There's the lighting is here. And you can see the sky is right. And the storm is gonna not end as well, as you can tell. But earlier was, I think it was sunny.